Hi there, it's Julie with the Edmonton Mennonite Center for Newcomers, also known as EMCN. In today's video, we revisit the topic of being on time. More specifically, we talk about how to not let the weather impact you getting to your destination on time. Bad weather is not a valid reason to be late. Canada in general, but here in the Canadian Prairies specifically, the weather can change drastically. So whether it's heavy rainstorms in the summer or snowstorms in the winter, Canadians just sort of get on with the business of daily living. Regardless of the conditions, there's an expectation that you find a way to make things work, and that includes being on time. If you use bad weather as an excuse for being late, it could make you stand out from other people, and not in a good way. In order to avoid any problems, you need to plan ahead. It's a good idea to keep yourself updated on the weather conditions. No matter where it is that you're going to need to go, it's a good idea to check the local weather forecast a day in advance. You also want to keep checking local weather forecasts throughout the day. Weather conditions can change quickly, and you want to make sure that you can anticipate them whenever you can. By doing this, you can ensure that you're prepared, such as having appropriate clothing, no matter what kind of weather you're going to encounter. Keeping on top of the weather forecasts can also help you anticipate delays. Road conditions can be drastically altered by the weather. Often the local news that talks about the weather will also talk about traffic conditions and potential transit delays. Once you know these conditions, you can make arrangements to leave earlier than usual. This way you can still make it to your destination on time. So let's review what we've learned today. The most important thing to understand is that bad weather is not a valid reason to be late in Canada. You can ensure that this isn't a factor by planning ahead. Keeping an eye on the weather forecast allows you to select the appropriate clothing. By also checking traffic conditions, you can also anticipate delays you might have when driving or taking transit. Leaving earlier and allowing a little bit more time for travel will ensure that you reach your destination in plenty of time. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Until next time, have a great day and stay safe.